Hey everyone, welcome to the morning segment of the daily recap. I really like doing this now because I have a fresh mind. Wow, low-hanging fruits are tanking today. Things are insane. I bet a lot of people are banking today. Sadly, I only have one trade, but I nailed KPLT very, very well. Alright, so let's see. KPLT, as you see, low-hanging fruit, gapped up, ran yesterday, lots of volume. Now it's breaking down below red to green. I shorted the pop to red to green pre-market with a stop at 5.15. All right, so if it reclaims, I'm out. Did not reclaim. So it faded. And again, on the last daily recap, I talked about having I can't cover it until it hits 1R, just because I have a tendency to, get excited, cover early over fear or excitement or something like that. So I'm just, not going to cover until 1R. Of course, some things apply, like if news or a lot of volume comes in the stock, I'm just going to get out. But, I covered out at 1R a little bit. Again, bottom tick that. We make a move lower. 480 was a massive wall. Lots of shares on this 480 wall. And so when we broke that, we, wicked down. But I had orders already out. So this is a huge lesson. When you guys are, in a lot of setups, it's best to have your orders already out because things happen quick. So I had a 482 exit here. And then I had a 477, and then I had a 473, and then I had a 467, just in case on market open if we dip and ripped, or if we just tanked, would have got out there. But sadly, a rule of mine is whenever I'm in the green on a trade, I have to set my stop at break even, unless I can like reshort it, which I can't. Like I would have loved to reshort red to green here. Like look how perfect that was. This was a massive win. Like literally 50 cents a share. That's massive. But I can't reshort up there, so I stopped out. I had 100 shares total in this trade, and I stopped out 10 shares. So it was 10% size, kind of like for a home run, but that never hit. So literally no problem. Like I don't know, that was literally no problem. But yeah, this was massive. I'm a little, like, of course I'm going to be mad that I covered and then it tanked, but this was seriously like 10 shares. I would have, it wouldn't have been much. But BBIG and like low-hanging fruits in general, oh my gosh. BBIG, massive tank. This is also a setup that I would have shorted, but locates are expensive, and again, I only have one day trade today. Let's look at MMAT. I would have gotten stopped out on this one. I would have shorted either here or here, risking probably 445, a little bit above that. Would have got stopped out, but this one was also a massive fader. ATER, so many today. ATER, another one. I would have shorted here, here, or here. Just I don't know. I probably wouldn't have shorted down here. That would have been, too far from red to green for me. I would have waited for a bounce, but this one was also a massive fader. My favorite one was BLIN pre-market. I was wanting it to pop up to red to green, but that never happened. I mean, that's not really doing very good. The liquidity is very low on that stock, but that was one of them. The big ticker of today is ACIU, and as of right now, looks like we're trying to break, but again, this thing is crazy. And let me talk about RHE. This has a very small float. I think it's like 1.6 million. That means you've got to size down and you've got to nail bail. I really like this for a VWAP projection, and I would have traded it if I had more trades. Perfect 1150 line, but you have to nail and bail on these low float tickers because look, boom, teleport. And this ticker has popped up so many times. Like I remember this ticker like months back. It pops up like every month, I feel like, and every time it does stuff like this. Like it teleports from bottom to high a day. Like you got to be nail and bail, low float, easy to borrow. You got to be ready to cover soon once you're in the green. I think so many people are banking today in MIC. I hope so. I hope you all are having a great day. I'm a little disappointed I couldn't capitalize on like all the stuff, but I mean, I can't get greedy. I got a great trade here. Wow, this thing is crazy. It went down to 440. But yeah, I really like how I scaled out, literally bottom ticked every low. Seriously, I literally bottom ticked every low. That's kind of crazy. And then, I can't get emotional about this last 10 share stop out. That was for a home run. Like, how else do you expect a bottom tick? You're not going to bottom tick one bullet. You're going to have to scale out and you'll get a bottom tick, just like how I did here. But again, you're going to get stopped out for more. A lot of you might be saying like, oh, well, you should have kept your 515 stop. But, you know, I have this trend line drawn. I don't go too hard off of trend lines because they can psych you out a lot. But this one was pretty perfect, like high here, high here, high here, high here. It's pretty perfect. So once it reclaimed that, I could definitely see it, you know, bouncing to red or green, sure, rejecting it, going back to 490 and running. But again, the market sentiment today is fade and massive sell-off. Everything is selling. I don't think I'll have anything to say for the rest of the daily recap, but if I do, I'll pop up here. But if not, I hope you all enjoyed. Please drop a like and subscribe. And also, I do have to say that this video is not backed by my investing club. I'm just a member. But as you can see, my charts are getting better and better, and I'm learning to maximize my setup. So I'm really excited for the future. I have no trades tomorrow because of my fat finger, and if you want to hear about that, go check out the last daily recap. But yeah, with all that said, I hope you all had a great day. I hope you guys were able to capitalize on this massive sell-off of low-hanging fruits. I'm pretty sure like most of these were on Alex's watch list, especially KPLT. He said he wanted to short the, I think it was like 510 line, which is perfect. My order would have been 507, literally would have top ticked that, and oh my gosh, that's massive. But yeah, I hope you guys capitalize. I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you guys later.